Welcome back, guys. We are going to talk about with the description of the video say, of course. So 3 persons gone away fatally wounded in Trelawny Bounty Hall. We are going to talk about that, the latest. Also, we are going to talk about some extra topics in the video, guys, just for keeping updated and posted, you know. So remember to subscribe and like if for your first time. Alright, people, so we not take long to start video. You know that already. 3 persons fatally wounded in Trelawny. First person on the screen, Shanii Clark. The other person here goes by the name of Tachae Black. You see me, the next person, you don't know him, is a man in name Daniel Williams. Yeah, guys, so aka Alka, that's how them call him. So I do the whole profile and check out what really happened, guys. And you know, early this morning, basically around 1:45 a.m, you know, gunman, you don't know, attack them home. You see me, where it's like them 3 persons, basically 2 of them within a car, the guy Alka and the girl that Shanii, as it said way. So it's like shot the open fire upon the vehicle, the vaccine with them in and hit the brother. Him then in a car, you see me, my girl they admit at hospital. That's so she end up, you know, yeah, them say yeah, she dead right there. So basically, so police are do further investigation in regards to the matter, guys. But you don't know, it's tragic, cause more about 5 persons them say you see me get shot differently, but you don't know 3 fatally wounded, guys. So the next one them in a serious, you see me, serious you know, health right now said we, you see me, danger said we. So we just go and watch what go on, people. It mess up out there, it mess up a fresh news, so we just update. Yeah, man, people. So as for the young lady Brianna Kerr, you don't know, an incident took place last year December on the Mountain View Avenue, where, you know, police, you know, hit and run basically them off of one bike. She and her man, you see me. But all now the investigation we carry out, them say them not get nothing, nobody can find out what go on. You see me? I mean, I just have to flag it said way and inform the people them said way, say enough loose thing. Make a the 2 man or normal man said we here or them find them long time and thing. You see me? On the camera can pick up, and the whole other stretch they have camera and them thing there. You see me? But that is it, you know, people. Yeah, man, people. So Shenseea released the new feature collaboration with Megan the Stallion. We don't know who listen it yet, but we don't listen it yet. I mean, I see the preview, guys, but as a man who I'm not going to listen with that, I say basically, you see me. But if me hear it a play, me hear the rest side, people, but when I can listen it for myself. I mean, the people them say it flop, I would have said that. You see me? I would have said that because I just like 15 hours, you know, with Japan thing, and the views them are going good and thing. People them must say a bag of things said we, you see me. But as for the grounds of them, you don't know that go. Like bill up for them, you see me.
There you go. First time. Let it go.
I don't know what that is. Yeah, it is. Somebody bought my ring for me and it is fire. It's like a triple ring. The lighting is so bad. But it's a pretty. This one ain't real. This one, woo, child. Love this ring, and it's heavy as shit too. Yeah. Yes, my hair glitter looks like stars in this bitch. Looks like when you go in a Rolls Royce or a Lamborghini, you see the stars in the roof. That's my hair. I love this hairstyle. I love unique ass hairstyles. What's up, guys? Rolls Royce head. For sure.
Somebody call it
Rolls Royce head.
Stars in the roof.
Oh my god, it's funny. Anyways, guys, are you ready for this release tonight? I'm excited for y'all to see the video. And then with the album, ooh, I'm gonna be repping hard for my Caribbean people. Straight, all different type of vibes, you know. I think I'm gonna release my album's name tomorrow or tonight. Oh, people just come on live and just talk. And nobody not talk to me. I'm not talking to you now. When are you coming to Toronto? When I get another booking. I don't have no bookings yet for Toronto. You know what I mean?
Huh? No bookings in Toronto.
We don't got no bookings in Toronto yet.
We got a lot of offer, but we have to choose who we do work with.
There you go. Signed management. I'm here with my two managers. Boom, bang, bang. Look at Lizzie the Dawn.
The boat. Man. The socket.
And then Romich over here.
Hold up. You start watching.
We're having dinner at this fire ass place. It's one of my favorite restaurants. Food is exquisite. Join Megan. I don't think Megan is online.
That's what
I didn't tell Megan I was going live. Come to Nigeria. I'm gonna come to Africa soon, guys. Huh? Yeah, I know, but I didn't tell her. I don't think she's online. You look good. Thank you. It's because I lost all that weight. I feel like I was so fat looking back at my old pictures. Like, I look so much prettier now. Except I ain't got no ass, because my ass is now small. But, you know, I ain't mad because my face is pretty as shit. The first thing people see when they see me is they see my face. The first thing they talk to is my face, not my ass. They ain't talking to my ass. My ass can't hold a conversation. So I'm perfectly fine with no ass but a pretty ass face. But I do love ass though. Damn. Like when I'm having like when I'm having sex, you know, my ass jiggling. Ooh, wee. That's a lamb, baby.
Lamb.
Yeah. It's the lamb for me. Sorry, I just lit the camera, but that's it go. Gotta make it clean for y'all. Yeah, that my silly one.